If you want to log into X, formerly known as Twitter, on the web, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're using a laptop, desktop, or even a tablet browser, the steps are simple and only take a minute or two. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, go to x.com. Once the website loads, you'll see the X homepage. On this page, look for the sign in button and click it. After that, X will ask you to enter your login details. You can sign in using your email address, phone number, or username depending on how your account is set up. Type in the information linked to your account, then click next or continue to the next step. Now enter your password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes because even a small error will stop you from logging in. If you've saved your password in your browser or password manager, you can use that to make the process faster. Once your password is entered, click Login. If your account has extra security enabled, X may ask you to complete a verification step. This could be a code sent to your email, phone, or authentication app. If that happens, simply follow the instructions on screen and enter the code when prompted. Once the verification is complete, you should be signed into your X account and ready to browse your timeline, post updates, check notifications, and interact with other users. If you run into any issues, double check your username, email, and password, or try resetting your password from the login page. And that's it. You now know how to log into X on the web in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.